Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok not working on iPhone, iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your setting and check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected to Wi-Fi strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back, open your setting again and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, tap on TikTok, tap on offload app and reinstall. After this go back, click on VPN device management and disconnect VPN if connected, and after this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, and after doing reset network setting you need go back. At last you need to open App Store and tap on search bar, search TikTok app and open TikTok app. Check for update. If not updated your app, you need to update your TikTok app. After this go back, and after doing all steps your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.